with you.
Hey, glad you came back. Hey, today Mama Shrashira, she wanted seafood, so I'm doing a seafood boil. I'm going to show you how to do it, like I've shown you time and time again. But you'll see I have to do 2 pots because I like mine my way. My seasoning, she like hers her way. She doesn't like the seasonings I use. She doesn't like it too spicy. But at any rate, I'm going to show you how to do it. Hope you enjoy it. Watch this. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Alright, so what we have here, have our his and hers. So start on the left, we have mine. I got my 2 potatoes up top, got a piece of corn, a couple oranges, got some lemons, some onions, some celery. I have my granulated garlic, and here I have my Zatarains. Love Zatarain, so you see I have quite a bit of it. Mama Shaw, she has 3 potatoes. She had 2 pieces of corn, got her oranges, onions, lemons, celery, granulated garlic, and she uses Obey. As you can tell, she don't want to use a lot of it, but that'll do. And these are the vegetables that we're going to be putting in, the vegetables and the seasoning. I'm also going to add 2 bay leaves, maybe 3 bay leaves to each one of these. So now as the water's starting to heat up, we're going to start adding our veggies and seasonings. We'll start off with Mama Shaw. Gonna add our Obey, got our granulated garlic, 3 bay leaves, and our potatoes. Got our onion, celery, and in the fruits, squeeze orange in, squeeze it, drop it in, do the same thing with the lemons. There we go, and we're going to hold off on the corn. Now let this come to a boil. Now we're going to work on mine. All right, now for mine, our granulated garlic goes in. Our Zatarains goes in. Bay leaves. Celery. Our onion. Potato. And now our fruits. Squeeze that orange in. Squeeze the other orange in. Lemons. It has to be flavorful. And we're going to hold off on the corn. We'll let this come to a boil. And then we'll be ready to start adding more. There's one more thing I want to add to mine. Almost forgot. My little spice packet of Zatarains. That goes in. And I'm going to add some crab oil. Let me go get that. See this liquid crab oil? Yeah. Just a little bit of that goes in. For me. Just a little bit. Now, let's let this get boiled up. All right, now we're going to add Mama Shaw's crab legs. So let's get these guys in. Put your lid on while you start to soften up, thaw out a bit, and then we'll close it up. Okay, let's add my crab legs. And we're gonna cook the crab legs for about 10 minutes, then we're gonna start adding other items to it. Put the lid on it so you can start softening up. You get Mama Shaw's all closed up here. See, now the joints can bend. I like to close the lid down on it. Okay, so I'm not sure if I told you or not, but at about the 5-minute mark or so, I added the corn. Alright. Now the whole 10 minutes has been up. Now we're going to add our sausage and our shrimp. And we're going to let this go for about 6 minutes and then we will be done. Alright, so here we go. This is what we got. I'm about to sit down and eat. This is mine right here. Now, let's go see what Mama Shaw working with. Alright. If you like this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, hey, hit the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. Hey, share me out if you can. That being said, this Shrashira, I'm about to eat. Now, I'll show you the mukbang in the next video. Thanks for watching.